Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bertha. So for today we are going to be doing 10 must-have tools for everybody with long hair. So one, we are going to be starting by hair ties or hair crunches. These help you to tie down your hair. You can also use a piece of old t-shirt, just cut it from the t-shirt. It acts as a very good tie. Two, you're going to be needing hair clips. This one is good for sectioning during wash days. The snap clip. This one is used for pinning down excess hair and styling. Three, you're going to be needing bobby pins. Bobby pins are used to pin down excess hair. Also, they are used to style. Then, you're going to be needing leave-in conditioner. For me, I use Mikala leave-in conditioner. It acts as a moisturizer for the hair. You're also going to be needing a spray bottle. So, inside my spray bottle, I have water, some leave-in conditioner, and coconut oil. You're also going to be needing hair food for the hair. So, I've been using soft talk hair food. It's with vitamins, jojoba oil, moisturizing oil, and natural oils. It's a very good oil. Then you're going to be needing detangler and brushes or combs. I use this to detangle my hair, and I use this to comb so as my hair can be neat. You're also going to be needing a mirror to see if you have styled your hair accordingly. Then you're also going to be needing a scissors. So you're going to be using a scissors to trim your ends, and also you're going to be using it to unravel or to cut braids or locks when you want to undo them. So you just cut the tip, or you can cut where your hair reaches for easy removal. You're also going to be needing a shower cap. This is good. You can use it as a heat cap on wash days. You can also, it helps you prevent the rain from getting into your hair. So on rainy days, you're going to be needing a shower cap. You're also going to be needing a satin bonnet, scarf, or a satin pillow. This one I use it to tie on my head when I go to bed. This helps in maintaining moisture. So this one I just made it myself. Then you're also going to be needing an old t-shirt. You use this to dry your hair after washing. So t-shirts are good for drying your hair after washing or wiping away the water. Then we are going to be needing hair wraps. These are just for styling. Please mention in the comment section if you like my hairstyle and if you want me to do a video on how I got it. Peace.